Hi guys, welcome back. Today is Friday, although for some of us it feels like it's been Friday for a really long time and it's no longer fun. With that being said, we are starting our last day of the web quest, but before we get into that, we're going to take some notes. So go ahead and take out the simile notes that you guys took at the start of this week. We're going to add to them today. So feel free to go ahead and pause during this time so you can get them out. I will wait. With that being said, we're going to quickly review. A simile is when you are comparing two unrelated things with an element that's shared using the words like or as. For example, the cheese on this pizza is as hot as lava. Jay went off like a rocket. Okay, this time we are going to do a metaphor. And a metaphor compares two things, but it does not use like or as. So it's comparing two things, not using the words like or as. For example, the calm lake was a mirror. The lake is being compared to a mirror. And we know that, and once again, there is no as or like that goes with it. So, the lake was a mirror. The lake is being compared to the mirror. And to review quickly, a metaphor, is comparing two things not using like or as. And that concludes your notes for today. You can go ahead and put those away. Exit out of here. So for our last day for our web quest, you'll click on it, go to web quest just like we have been doing this whole week. You'll click on web quest day 5. Notice I put Friday. Go to the questions, and today does have 3 websites, but I'm going to tell you exactly where to find the answers so you don't take as long to do it. So for website 1, if we click on it, it will take us to where it's talking about what we were like, America, during World War II. The first 4 answers for website 1 are going to be found in the first paragraph. So right here. That's where your first 4 answers will come from. The second paragraph, the task of winning the American War, will actually have the answer to the last question. Okay? So you don't have to spend the whole time reading it. It is an interesting read, but I understand you probably have other coursework, so when you're done, you can go back and read it. So we'll exit out of website 1. Website 2 will actually bring up some posters that were used during this time era. And the posters that I want you to focus on are the first one as soon as you open it up, which is the patriotic poster, which is this one. And then you'll have questions that come from Share the Meat. You'll have questions that come from the American Red Cross and the Air Raid. So those 4 posters will have the answers to the questions for website 2. If you have time, I do highly recommend you go back and click on the other posters. And last but not least is website 3. And website 3 is my favorite because it is going to deal with how women became involved in the war front. So what you're going to do is you will click on Start, and you will find the first couple answers to the question in the overview. Now, It is kind of long, but it is a really good read. And like I said, most of your answers are coming from here. Okay? I want you to click next. And your next question asks about the term deloused. And you will find the answer to question 4 when you click next. And you're going to have to keep clicking next, and you're going to look for where it's blue. Okay, and it's in the section called War Comes Home. So you'll click on delouse, and what it does is it gives you more information, okay? And that's where your answer will be coming from. Exit out of there. And the same thing for when you're looking for the Great Depression. If you noticed, it was a couple screens back, and it was in blue. You click on it and it'll give you the answers. And then the last question is, you're looking for mail. So how long did it take for mail to get back? So that'll be in the daily life. Okay? And the answer will actually be right in this paragraph. Okay, if you have questions, please don't hesitate to send me an email. I do try to respond as quickly as possible. I miss you guys so much. It totally sucks having to talk to a screen instead of to you guys in person. And I really do hope that you guys are staying safe and that you're enjoying some family time. And with that being said, I hope you have a great weekend, and we'll see you on Monday.